National Young Scholars Program is a 6-day leadership-based academic program. Our scholars are between 2nd and 4th grade. We are currently on site at Houston Christian University in Houston, Texas.
This learning experience is very different from what you might see in school on an everyday basis. As it caters to students' diversity, it's more inclusive, and these students are learning through simulative activities.
Our scholars get to go to museums, historical centers, wildlife centers.
This week I was most excited about learning history because I wanted to learn about the Great Depression.
We went to the Houston Natural Science Museum. We learned about butterflies, bugs, animals that you wouldn't normally see.
They get to make friends, they get to learn from people who are different than they are.
My We the Future project will help the earth smell better and make the air cleaner.
We started a nonprofit company that helps clean the ocean.
Our scholars come from all over the place. Our locations are all over the United States.
We focus on the social emotional learning of our students and also leadership skills.
One thing that we learned is self-control and being able to empathize with other people.
They're all young leaders and they're here to work on those skills, and they all learn from each other. We also have keynote speakers that are young leaders themselves who have really successful careers already.
I would meet people across the United States and get to learn about things that I would understand at my level.
These scholars being able to see people this young that are creating a change, I think, makes them feel like, okay, this is possible. I just need to find the right resources and I can make it happen.
Students help to identify their personal values, and when they work on the projects, they look around them, they become self-aware, and they're able to identify issues in their own communities that they would want to fix. They are really wide-eyed, realizing that they have come up with solutions that can not only be impactful in their community, but can also be fulfilling to them.
They come out with a lot more independence.
I'm getting a dorm mate, and this is as far as I've been from home without my parents.
It makes me feel very grown up, and now I'm actually pretty excited for college.
It's very gratifying for me on any given day when I see a kid come up with an idea that is out of the box, and they realize that they would have been able to do something that is different from the others around them.